Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the region change. Sign in now and confirm your current region and subscription. You need credentials and a working payment method because some stores require region-matched billing. Once signed in, enable two-factor authentication and update the app so settings persist. Make sure you note active game licenses; those can be restricted by region. This first step removes surprises and gives you a clean baseline to modify location settings without losing access to purchases or subscriptions. Now change the account region in settings. Go to Location or Country Preferences and pick the target region. You're doing this because platform catalogs and servers depend on that flag. Changing it updates available servers and game libraries. Next, update your billing address and payment method to match the new country. Many platforms validate purchases against local payment. Once done, accept updated terms. Then restart the app and clear cache, so the client refreshes regional entitlements and server routing. Finish by verifying the change. Launch a region-restricted game or check server ping to confirm routing. If content still shows your old region, make sure DNS and cache cleared. Sometimes a verified VPN or updated DNS is required for geo-restricted matchmaking. If you hit blocks, contact support with error codes and timestamps so they can trace account flags. Finally, be prepared to revert only if unavoidable. Regions can affect subscriptions and licenses, so monitor billing and library access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.